Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. First offense is elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We were going to do probable cause. You had the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or won't be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On March 17th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a call for service at the 400th block of West Gray Street, Houston, Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer observed the defendant sitting inside his vehicle. The officer made contact with the defendant and observed the defendant to have bloodshot eyes, unsteady balance, and was confused. The defendant stated he didn't have anything to drink. A Houston Fire Department employee, the wheel witness, stated the defendant was asleep in the driver's side of the vehicle with his foot on the brake and the vehicle in drive. The wheel witness stated he had a hard time waking up the defendant. SFSTs were conducted. 6 out of 6 clues were observed on the HGN, 5 out of 8 clues observed on the walking turn, 3 out of 4 clues observed on the one-leg stand. The DIC was read, and the defendant...
Right from the start, this judge's tone says it all. Calm, firm, and all business. The charge? Driving while intoxicated, and not just any DWI. This one's elevated because of the high blow. That means the breathalyzer results were way over the limit. Buckle up. This hearing's about to get interesting.
...consented to a breath test. The results were .179 and .175.
Where was he? Was he in the middle of the road?
It sounds like... Yeah, I don't... So it says that he was sitting inside his vehicle on the 400th block of West Gray Street, which is accessible to the public. It's on a public.
Oh, please. I have no idea what that is, where it is. Is he in the middle of the road? Is he in a parking lot? Is it Domino's Pizza? I mean...
It's on a public. It says it's on a public street. It says, well...
When a judge mentions probable cause, that's key. It's the foundation of whether this case can even proceed. If the evidence doesn't clearly show a crime, the judge can toss it right here. Think of it as a legal checkpoint before the race even begins. Whoa, a .179. That's more than twice the legal limit in Texas. But here's the twist.
More specifically, it's 400 block was the public street.
I need more information. I mean, does it say he's on a street there, or are you assuming?
No, I'm not assuming. I'm saying what it says is that the 400th block of West Gray Street is a public street. You know,
And ask him if he's driving, isn't it? None of that. I mean, really.
Yeah, he did have the vehicle in drive, so wasn't conscious. But in regards to the location aspect of it, there's nothing.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry. I mean, find no probable cause. I can't just go forward with assumptions, you know?
Even with those numbers, it's not an automatic conviction. Why? Because the key legal question is, was he actually driving or just sitting in the car? That single detail could change everything.
Larry, be safe, man. You know, we have every single day. Look this weekend. How many people died on the road here in Harris County? You know, really, be smart. You know, you have but one life. Don't do something where you either ruin your life or, more importantly, ruin someone else's life. Okay? I appreciate that. I'm going to find no problem cause.